Hi, this is Mike Tabler with Tabler Insurance, and today I want to talk to you about auto insurance liability coverage. So in the state of Ohio, they require that you carry a limit of $25,000 per person and $50,000 per accident on bodily injury. So what's that mean is if you are in an accident and you injure someone, that person's injuries would be covered for that $25,000 limit. But if there's multiple people in the car, 3 or more, they're going to have to split that $50,000 limit. So it's not going to give you the coverage you probably are going to need in most situations. 30 years ago when I got in the business, a lot of financial magazines would tell you that you need to carry a higher limit to give you better protection. And that limit was $100,000 per person with $300,000 per accident, which is a lot more coverage than what the state's requiring you to carry. Here we are, fast forward to the current state of the economy, and healthcare costs have risen significantly since then. So we want to have a hard discussion about this with our clients. This is the most common limit we see on most policies, but we always have the conversation and show the client what the difference in rate is if they at least jump that up to $250,000 per person and $500,000 per accident. This can avoid a gap that you've got in your auto insurance. From there are other options with higher limits, or you have the ability to add on a personal umbrella policy to give you even more coverage on top of that. If you want to learn more about what coverage you have on your liability protection, give us a call, and we would love to discuss that with you to see if you're can be better protected. Thanks.